This one right here has been begging me to cook something on the Blackstone for her, so I'm making hibachi for the hibachi. So for this meal, I have all of my burners set to high, and we're gonna let this heat up for a few minutes before I add the olive oil. On this side, I'm gonna get some olive oil down for the vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetables. Mix them up a little bit, and I'm gonna season these with a little bit of salt, pepper, Tony's garlic, and some soy sauce towards the end. You're gonna get these spread out in a single layer. All right, the vegetables are almost done, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some olive oil to this side of the grill for the chicken. Get this chicken on here. Go ahead and spread that out a little bit. Those are looking so beautiful. We'll be adding some of this. Give this a little toss. And then we're gonna cover this up and let them steam. We're gonna get some water sprayed onto the vegetables, then I'm gonna cover them and let them steam for a little bit. The chicken's almost done, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. It's time to add the rice. Get just a little bit of butter on top of that. I'm going to be adding some hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and some oyster sauce to this. Now we're just going to mix this all up. I went ahead and added the eggs. Go ahead and get those scrambled up a little bit. I like to get the eggs mixed into the rice before they dry out too much.
Now for the best part, I'm gonna go ahead and mix all this together.
And that's how I do hibachi. Y'all come eat.